Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the channel where we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the brand new next generation 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a car that has just shocked the world with its bold redesign, advanced features, and performance that feels almost illegal on the road. Mazda has taken its legendary Roadster and pushed it into a whole new era. Let's get right into it. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is bigger, bolder, and more sophisticated than ever before. From the outside, the design screams confidence. The new BB design language gives it a wider stance, sharper lines, and a flowing aerodynamic body that looks aggressive yet refined. The headlights are slimmer with cutting-edge LED technology, while the taillights have been reshaped for a futuristic look. The front grille now carries a deeper, more pronounced structure, making the Miata look meaner than ever. Mazda has also introduced stunning new color options, from deep metallic reds to striking blues and premium matte finishes that make the Roadster stand out in any crowd. Step inside, and the sophistication continues. The 2025 MX-5 Miata has an interior designed for true driving enthusiasts. You get a driver-focused cockpit with a larger 12-inch high-definition infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose 3D audio system, and advanced digital cluster displays. Every surface feels premium, from the soft-touch leather trims to the aluminum accents. Mazda has also increased cabin space slightly, giving both driver and passenger more comfort without losing the Miata's signature compact feel. Heated and ventilated sports seats with memory function, customizable ambient lighting, and improved sound insulation make this Miata the most comfortable version ever produced. Under the hood, the Miata takes performance to an entirely new level. The 2025 model is powered by a re-engineered 2.0-liter Skyactiv turbocharged engine, delivering up to 245 horsepower and a thrilling 0 to 60 time of just under 5 seconds. It feels light, agile, and incredibly responsive, making every corner and straightaway an adrenaline-filled experience. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission remains available, but Mazda has also introduced a lightning-fast automatic gearbox for those who want convenience without losing performance. This car is smooth, aggressive, and without a doubt feels almost illegally fast on the open road. Safety and technology have also taken a leap forward. The Miata now comes with Mazda's iActiveSense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There's even a 360-degree camera system to make city driving and parking easier. When it comes to price, Mazda has kept things competitive. The 2025 MX-5 Miata starts at around $32,000 for the base model, while higher trims with premium packages can reach up to $42,000 fully loaded. Considering the design, performance, and technology upgrades, this price range makes the Miata one of the most exciting sports cars in its class. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution for Roadster fans. Bigger, bolder, more sophisticated, and packing incredible performance, this is the Miata Reborn for a new generation. Mazda has once again proven why the MX-5 is the king of lightweight sports cars, and this latest model might just be the best one yet. Thanks for watching Ride Reviews. If you love cars that push boundaries and redefine what's possible, make sure to subscribe for more exciting content.